Hi there, it's Fiona from Sing at Sight. In the last few videos, we've been learning how to sing scale-like passages using a variety of different note lengths. These have all been in C major and have started and ended on that note C. Now you're going to have a go at exercises in a few different keys. They will all be major keys: D major, E major and F major. You will always get a chance to hear and sing the scale of the key before having a go at the example. Here is the scale of D major. Now, pause the video and have a go at the notes. Here is how it sounds. Here is the scale. Pause the video and have a go at the notes. Here is how it sounds. This is the scale of E major. Pause the video now and have a go at the notes. Here is how it sounds. This time, instead of hearing the scale, you're going to hear the key chord, which gives you the feel of the key. This is what is often given when you are sight singing in an exam situation. Pause the video and have a go at the notes. Here is how it sounds. Here is the key chord. Pause the video and have a go. Here is how it sounds. This melody is also in F major. However, it has a different feel to it because it only has 3 crotchets in a bar rather than 4, and this is shown here in the time signature. 3 crotchets in a bar makes the tune lilt slightly, like a gentle dance. Pause the video and have a go at the notes. This is how it sounds. If you feel ready, move on to the next video in this course, longer passages.